ICCT stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at iCoreConnect, great performance. I mean, 45% up is sick. All I'm looking to do is still hopefully take things up, right? And this is how that's going to look like. If you watch my yesterday's video, you will understand how beautiful of a W this was. Let me show you the proof here.
Money trading in a simple.
There you go. Like, this is when I made the prediction. At the time, I was sitting at 216 post-market, you see. It's made like, there you go. More so too, but since this has already kind of delivered, now all I'm looking to do is doubling down on this bullish market. In which way? You know, in this case, yeah, if it comes down, fills in a little gap or whatever, I'm still looking to take things up. If my rules are not met, obviously not going to buy, you know. So that's how ICCT is looking like for me. It's obviously not financial advice. So if you want to stay tuned regarding ICCT, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye.